Alright, well, I went out to water some plants and noticed that where my water meter is full of water. And it hasn't rained for a few days, so that can only mean one thing. We got a problem under there. See what's going on. Pump it out. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah. This is one of those electronic water meter doohickeys that so they don't have to stop and actually look at each meter, so we can't really undo it. We'll just need to get it out of the way here. This old hose has seen better days, so I think we're going to reutilize this, the end of this at least. This should be long enough. Cut it right here. Yeah, cheap hose, nothing in it. Okay. Let's see how this works. This thing was just a few bucks at our nearby Harbor Freight store, so. Okay, this is taking far too long, so we're going to go with plan B here. We're going to try to shop vac it out, see if that'll speed things up a little bit. And do it again. Alright, so this is the house side and this is the supply side. Alright, so normally you need a wrench like this to shut off the water. Now, so I'm going to suck it out here again so you can see that a little bit better detail. And I'll show you where the shutoff valve is. If it's filling up way too fast or I think it's going to be a problem, I'm going to shut it off with this. But otherwise, I'm just going to call the water company to have them come look at it because it's nothing that's my responsibility. So you can see there's the shutoff valve. It's leaking right there. There's the meter, and my house is that way. So I need to have the water utility come out and replace it. Alright, well, it's pretty obvious where the leak is. So if it was on this side, it might be something that I'd try to seal it myself or redo, but I probably wouldn't even do that. I'd probably hire it done. So, but since it's on the other side of the meter, I'm gonna call the water company to come look at it. Meter box? Well, yeah, it was all the way full and it was running out or whatever, so then I shop vac'd it out to look at it, and it's definitely leaking down there on the, next to the meter in that little joint between the shutoff valve and the meter.
What I'll do is go ahead and place the order, okay? You don't have to do anything else to that box, okay?
Okay, well, yeah, so can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Yeah, so it's squirting out, but not super bad, so just leave it like the way it is, don't mess with it?
Yes, sir, just don't mess with it. We'll come out there and investigate, and if it's on our end, we'll definitely take care of it.
Okay, yeah, I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Alright, well, I'm going to check out what they did. Just got home from work. See what they did. Nice and dry in there. Not really sure what's going on down there, but it's not leaking now. Looks like the same exact thing on there. Maybe just tightened it up. Maybe I could have done that.